Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. कोविड वापस आ गया है एंड आई वांट कि आप सब घर पे रहें, घर पे रहिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने घर वालों का ध्यान रखिए और बाहर अगर बहुत ज़रूरी है जाना तो प्लीज़ wear the mask, use the sanitizer. Okay, so that was my awareness that I wanted to spread with you all and now let's come to the video. आज मैं अपनी नई वीडियो के साथ आ गई हूँ और ये वीडियो कोई मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल नहीं होने वाला है क्योंकि आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड अ फ्यू मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स. आज कुछ अलग करते हैं. आज हम करेंगे चर्चा. चर्चा हम लड़कियों का जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है. हमें गॉसिप क्वींस कहा जाता है, हमें चिट चैट कहा जाता है, जो भी कहते हैं कहने दो. एंड नॉट ओनली द गर्ल्स, इवन द बॉयज आर इन्वाइटेड. तो आज हमारी चर्चा का विषय है दीज LIT लिपस्टिक्स फ्रॉम माई ग्लैम. तो आज हम इन पे चर्चा करेंगे. चर्चा इन द सेंस हम इसको रिव्यू करेंगे एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉलिंग इट अ रिव्यू ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट आई विल कॉल द चर्चा ऑन अ प्रोडक्ट. तो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. एज यू कैन सी मेरे पास ये 4 शेड्स हैं माई ग्लैम LIT लिपस्टिक के एंड मैं आपको इन सारे शेड्स का स्वॉच दिखाऊंगी. और पहले स्वॉच दिखाने से पहले मैं इन लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में थोड़ा आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. इफ यू हैव यूज्ड दिस लिपस्टिक देन यू मस्ट agree with me, or if you don't then please tell me that where I'm going wrong, and if you haven't used it then my review will be somewhere helpful to you. So talking about these lipsticks, basically मैं एक liquid lipstick की fan नहीं हूँ, liquid matte lipstick specially. I'm just not comfortable with the liquid matte lipsticks. I prefer the bullet matte lipsticks or I prefer the creamy matte ones. Okay, so that was about my opinion, and because these are the liquid matte lipsticks, I am not very much impressed with it. But yes, if I talk about its stay, yes, it is a very long lasting lipstick. Because once I wear this, I don't have to keep on reapplying it or giving it a touch up. No, it doesn't need any of them. You can eat very nice, you can eat as you want, because I am a person जिसका मुंह या तो बोलने के लिए चलता रहता है या खाने के लिए चलता रहता है. So for me this is working really well. I don't use it directly on my lips because I am uncomfortable with the direct matte liquid lipstick on my lips. So what I do, either I apply a lip balm first of all, or I apply some creamy lipstick, creamy light shade lipstick, and after that I apply these matte lipsticks. So I feel a little better with that, and the stay is amazing, amazing stay, I swear. So if you are a worker, like you are going out for office, nowadays I don't think that the offices will remain open for a longer time. I don't wish that. I wish that everything goes well for a long time. But yes, if you are going to offices or you are a college girl, so you can definitely wear these lipsticks. These will give you a long lasting stay. And even if you want to go for a party, any festival look, everywhere you can wear these lipsticks, and these are going to be the most long lasting lipstick that you have ever worn. Okay, the first lipstick that I'm going to show you is 14 DTR. This is this hot pink kind of a shade, and I'm just going to show you the swatch of it on my arm. Okay, so this is how it looks, and yes, this is a very festive color, and if you are going for any kind of a festival or any event, you can definitely wear this. This is a bright pink color if it is clearly visible to you. Now I'm coming to my next lipstick, and this is in shade 20 Boo. I literally love this shade because this is not a very dark shade but a very nude and soothing color. So I'll just show you the swatch how it looks. This looks something like this, and I really love these shades because these are not very bright ones and still suits with everything. You can wear this shade with the Indian wear, with the Western wear, with any event, any party you are going, you can just carry this lipstick. So this is one of my favorite My Glam shade from LIT. Okay, so the next shade I have with me is 12 Draking. And this is again a pink shade. I don't know why I bought this one and this one together because these are almost the similar shades. But yes, I'll just show you how this looks. This looks something like this, and I think both the pink shades are quite similar to each other, so I don't know why I bought them. 1-8 Singer. This one is in the shade Swinger, and I'll show you again how it looks. This is the most used lipstick from My Glam that I have used the most. This is this dark brown shade. I hope it is clearly visible to you all. Okay, so this is how all these shades look, and I hope the review was anyway helpful to you all. Yes, before I forget, I will definitely tell you that how much these cost. These cost rupees 395. I got them from the My Glam app. You can even get them from Nykaa, and each one of them cost rupees 395. So I think a good liquid matte lipstick with a brand's name is okay with the pricing. 395 for each of these lipstick, and these are the swatches. So that's all with my video. I hope you liked this video, and we will keep on doing some more chai प्रोडक्ट पे चर्चा. एंड यस, ये था आज का हमारा प्रोडक्ट पे चर्चा का टॉपिक, माय ग्लैम की LIT लिपस्टिक. तो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, गिव इट अ थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, शेयर माय वीडियोस विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. प्लीज डू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे आपके लिए बहुत सारा अच्छा अच्छा कंटेंट है, DIYs हैं, रील्स हैं जो आपको हंसाएंगी, रुलाएंगी तो नहीं लेकिन बहुत कुछ सिखाएंगी. बाय, टेक केयर.